In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use date range in Tradingview. If you've ever wanted to jump straight to a specific period on a chart without endless scrolling, the date range workflow in Tradingview makes it fast and precise. Let's walk through it together so you can focus on your analysis instead of hunting for the right spot. First, head to tradingview.com. You'll land on the main page with access to charts and tools. From here, look to the left side of the interface and select the symbols section. This is where you choose the market you want to explore, like an index, a stock, a crypto pair, or a futures contract. Picking the right symbol at the start helps keep everything consistent as you move into the full chart. Next, click Full Chart. This opens the full-featured charting workspace so you can see candles, indicators, timeframes, and navigation controls all in one place. It's much easier to work with date ranges in this view because you have full control and visibility. Now, press Alt+G on your keyboard to open the Go to dialog. This is the quickest way to jump around the chart by time. The dialog that appears is designed for targeted navigation, and it's where you'll find the option we need for a precise date window. In that dialog, click Custom Range. This tells TradingView that you want to define a start date and an end date instead of jumping to a single time. It's perfect for pulling up a historical period you want to study, like a specific quarter, earnings season, or a major market event. Then, select date range by choosing your start and end dates. You can pick them from the calendar or type them in depending on your preference. Keep in mind that the time frame you're on will determine how much detail you see inside that window. For example, a daily chart shows the broader move, while a 15-minute chart reveals intraday behavior within the same dates. Finally, click Go To. The chart will instantly center on the exact window you selected. You'll see the candles for that period, and you can zoom in or out to refine what you're viewing. If the area looks sparse, it may be because the market was closed on those dates or your time frame is too granular for the asset. That's all there is to it. Go to TradingView, choose your symbol, open full chart, press Alt+G, click Custom Range, select your date range, and click Go To. Use this workflow anytime you need clean, repeatable navigation to a precise historical window.